Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am R. Sriram. Heavy rains pound eastern Japan. Windy conditions forecast for the country's north. Torrential downpours continued to pound eastern Japan's Tokai region on Tuesday due to an influx of humid air. Weather officials had warned of landslides and flooding in low-lying areas. In northern Japan, windy weather and high waves persisted even after tropical storm Nari had passed. Weather officials reported that atmospheric conditions had remained very unstable, particularly in eastern Japan. A low-pressure system in the Sea of Japan and a high-pressure system in the Pacific had been driving warm and humid air into the region. According to the Japan Meteorological Agency, extremely heavy rainfall of 54 millimeters was observed in Shizuoka City in the hour leading up to 2 p.m. Nasushiobara City in Tochigi Prefecture reported 45 millimeters, while Shimogamachi in Fukushima Prefecture saw 42 millimeters. This precipitation significantly increased the risk of landslides in Tochigi Prefecture, prompting the issuance of alerts in certain areas. Forecasters had predicted that localized downpours with lightning might hit some areas in eastern Japan through Tuesday night. They also stated that the continued inflow of warm, humid air along the periphery of a high-pressure system would bring further heavy rainfall to the Pacific coasts of eastern and western Japan through around Thursday. In the 24 hours leading up to noon on Wednesday, the Kanto Koshin region was expected to receive up to 150 millimeters of rainfall, while the Tokai region could see up to 100 millimeters. In the following 24 hours ending at noon on Thursday, Tokai was forecast to receive up to 200 millimeters and Kanto Koshin up to 150 millimeters. The agency had urged residents to remain vigilant against hazards such as landslides, inundation of low-lying areas, river flooding, lightning, tornadoes, gusty winds and hail. Tropical storm Nari made a landfall in Hokkaido early Tuesday and subsequently transitioned into a low-pressure system in the Sea of Okhotsk. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.